Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let any.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. How you doing today? Hope you're doing well. And I hope this isn't one of those difficult conversations, because it's not. But we all, during the course of our lives, have to have difficult conversations. We can be on the one side of it, speaking it, or the other side, receiving it. But don't shy away from difficult conversations. Whereas they're uncomfortable, but they're critical. Difficult conversations are ones that most people avoid. Now, I'm in leadership. I know people ask a lot what you do, Mike. I'm in leadership, manage people, been doing it for years. And I know leaders who shy away from the difficult convo, and, well, they're worse for it. I know leaders who have difficult conversations all the time and do them poorly, and again, it's probably not a very successful thing. Having a difficult conversation with someone, especially work-related, but even with your personal life, or even with your kids, or even with a student or a teacher, you have to have them, you have to deliver them in a way that doesn't dehumanize somebody, but in a way that gets the point across. Some people like to pat them up with a lot of good stuff, but don't worry, you're doing well, and then maybe throw in the difficult point. But I've seen that theory done. I've done it myself. A lot of times the person receiving that conversation walks away not getting the gist of it. I think you need to make them feel comfortable, let them know what the expectation was, let them know that the expectation wasn't met. Here's what we need to do. Here's what I'm willing to do to help you. And here are the repercussions if it doesn't get done. That's with business, but with personal, you could say the same thing. You've got a spouse, boyfriend, girlfriend, kid that did not do what you want them to do, or is letting you down in certain ways. You have to reset the expectation, offer them help to remove the roadblocks and get them where they need to be, and then let them know when they expect it done, and set up a time to meet again on the results and follow through with what the repercussions will be. None of that's fun. That's why this video is called Difficult Conversations. And if you listen to that one and you got anything out of it, then I'm glad I had this difficult conversation with you. And I hope it helps you. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Yeah, that wasn't so difficult after all, was it? Sweet baboo, sweet baboo.